Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create your own contact poster on your iPhone. So to do this, first of all, of course, subscribe to my channel and leave a like and comment down below. But now you're going to go and click this button. And after this, you can see my card at the top. So I already created it. So after this, you can edit this contact poster here. So click edit. And after this, you can actually write down your name and edit your poster. So right here, you can customize your contact photo or a poster. So let's click poster. You can actually change the font, the sizing of it. So look, you can choose any color you want from this wheel. And after this, you can go and change your avatar, of course. So to change your avatar, you're just gonna click right here and you can change it basically. Also, there's a depth effect on or off, as you can see at the top, and the contact background color. So you can change it too. And yeah, that's basically how you edit your contact poster. You can also scroll down right here and add your email, pronouns, ringtone, text phone, URL, addresses, and so on. Everything you want, you can put it here. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.